if I have those pin to limit the travel, it will be the same thing. It will only be hitting the pin, not the whole flange. It's going in like this. I'm gonna try it. I'm gonna send it. That should do it. Yep. That should be good enough, I think. Not the best weld, but it will do. You have seen it, the trip to the junkyard. That was the 4 times that I went there, but it actually 2 times that I went after to look for a transmission, and I got lucky that day that I got the 06 camshafts, and I have shown the difference between the two according to the internet. 06 to 08 have this ring, only one, compared to 02 to 05 it has 2 ring. And I was measuring the cam lobes on this one, and this is a little bit higher than what I have. And I'm still waiting on the key component. That's the reason why I could not put the cylinder block together with the head. And I'm waiting for a Cometic head gasket because I ordered a 40,000. And also I have picked this up. I'm gonna replace the exhaust camshafts gear with this. It looks good. Too bad you can't see it. Lightweight. And also I'm still thinking if I wanted to put a RBC VTC gear. Since I have 2 of these, I found out that they can machine this thing. But I think it's safer and much cheaper for me to get the RBC VTC gear. The reason why I opened this because I want to clean it. I want to make sure that everything is clean before I put it on this motor. Well, welcome back anyway. Everyone, thanks for tuning in. This episode is just all about ideas and showing you what I have planned when I put this thing together. By the way, this thing cost me, together with the starter on the previous episode that you guys watched, it cost me $135. That's without the warranty. I say it's still a good deal. It actually pretty interesting, man. You know, like I was playing around with this thing, blowing some air through this and unlocking the gear. And yeah, I'm really impressed. Just want to make sure everything is good and dandy. And also this crazy idea of mine that I can make my own 45-degree. On the internet, it's showing how much material is supposed to be removed. I just need to convert 6mm on inches, and I can set it up on here and mark it and just shave it. Crazy idea, man. Anyway, yeah, I don't see any nicks or burr on this one, so I think I'll be okay on this one. I always have these wild ideas right there that you can just well, not just remove material, it has to be a precise 6mm. That wild ideas, I might do it. Since I have two of these, if I mess one up, I can just always take this off and use that gear and put it onto here, or just swap the two. Yeah, I wonder what's gonna happen if I, let's say, just remove 0.5mm. Is it 0.5mm or something? Just for the heck of it, you know, just to see if I can do it. I might try. I just Google search, and 6mm is equivalent of 0.236. So if I set 0.236 on my caliper, 0.236 right there, and transfer that here, what do you know, look at that. And also on this side, that is how much I am going to remove. This thing is wild, man. It's just mental. Right there. Let me set up my machine. I just could not resist. Don't ask me how I did it, but I was just using my drill press. This is crazy, man. It's mental. It's not finished yet. I gotta polish it, but I got it all straight. I got it all cut straight. Let me clean it up. It's not sitting flat here on this flange right there. Kind of made a mistake. It's not, I should have not cut it straight. It should be in an angle. I forgot to take account that this is in an angle right here. But this is what I think. You know, Truck Tough sell a pin. And if I would have put a pin on there, right? Let's say, for example, that this is the pin. I'm gonna put it like, let me get some something smaller. Okay. I know. What are you gonna say? I should have just get RBC, right? But this is just for fun. It'll be a very costly if anything happened to this, right? Okay, this is what I thought about the limiter. It comes with a big pin, a small pin, such and such, depending on how much degree do you want. All right, when you had the pin on there, let's say that the Allen wrench is the pin. It's only gonna make a contact on the pin, not the whole flange. Am I right? So without it, basically it's the same. Hopefully I won't break this. I've seen it on the internet where a guy was showing that this is broken. Yeah, this one suffered a failure right there. It cracked. If you could pay attention also on what I did on my VTC gear, right here, this area right here. And this is the pin. I think this is the 45-degree lock pin. Mine's got more material on there. So mine, I think it will be less than 50 degree. It could be 47 degree, 46 degrees, who knows. Like I said, if I have those pin to limit the travel, it will be the same thing. It will only be hitting the pin, not the whole flange. Anyway, I just need to polish this, and don't ask me how I did it. Well, let me show you how I did it, just for the heck. The reason why I don't want to show you how I did it is because I don't want anyone to copy it, and then you know, it's gonna fail on your part. But anyway, I got it in such a way. For example, that, right? This is not. It's almost like what machine shop personnel will do. Minus, I don't have the a fully correct equipment. But anyway, so it's something like this. I was holding this right there, and I was just turning it with this. The amount of material that I'm cutting, I'm using this handle right here to go back to me or out. And this one is for cutting, going left and right. And it came out all right. Look at that. I just need to polish it. Now, how many degree it is, I have no idea. Please don't do like what I do here. What I'm doing here is an experiment. All right. Okay. For me, I can afford to do all this. I have a slight idea how the system works. That's how. Should I say this is correct? No. But in my opinion and personal use, I'll be all right with this. Like I said earlier, now if I decided, I'm not sure how much, I think this is full 50 degree right here. So if I get a truck tough, and if I put that pin on here, it'll be good, right? This is where I end it, and thank you all for watching. Bye everyone. Later.